In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add balance to Wise account. We'll walk through the exact flow, nice and slowly, so you know what to tap, what to look out for, and how to avoid common mistakes. Once you're signed in to your Wise account, start on the main screen where your balances are displayed. Look for the Add Money button. It's usually near your chosen balance or in the main actions at the top. Go ahead and click Add Money. Next, choose the currency you want to top up and enter the amount. Be sure you're adding money to the correct currency balance, especially if you plan to spend or send in that same currency later. Wise will typically show you any fees and limits on this screen, along with an estimated arrival time. Take a moment to review those details before moving on. Now, select your payment method. Depending on your region, you'll see options like bank transfer, debit card, Swift transfer, or e-wallets. Each method can have different fees and speeds. For example, cards and some e-wallets can be fast, while bank transfers and Swift might take longer but can be cost-effective for larger amounts. Pick the option that fits your needs today. After you choose your method, Wise will give you the exact instructions to complete the payment. If you selected a bank or Swift transfer, you'll see the account details you must send money to. Carefully copy the information shown, things like account number, IBAN, sort code, bank name, and any reference code. It's important to include the reference exactly as provided so Wise can match the funds to your account. Use your banking app or website to create the transfer, paste the details, double-check the currency and amount, and review any bank fees that might apply. If you chose a card or e-wallet, simply follow the on-screen prompts to enter your payment details and authorize the transaction. Once you've sent the money, come back to Wise and confirm. You'll usually see a button like I've made the transfer or confirm payment. Tap that so Wise knows to look out for your funds. Processing times vary by method and region, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. You can monitor the status in your activity or balance view, and Wise will update you when the money lands. That's all there is to it. Click Add Money, choose your currency and amount, pick your payment method, follow the provided instructions carefully, and confirm. With those steps, your Wise balance will be topped up and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your seamless top-up.